Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Monday the 17th of March. We're going to move on to cable now, and to be honest I wish I could tell you more about cable on a daily basis, because it's basically just moving sideways, and it's still very messy in this sideways movement. This is on the daily chart. It's been trading sideways in this band for almost 3-4 weeks now, so it continues to push sideways. Nothing overly that you can get out of the daily chart, so you move pretty quickly intraday, and once more, even then, you're not really getting a great deal off this chart intraday. The moving averages are pretty much all pushing sideways. The momentum indicators are all around neutral configuration. So you're waiting for signals, I think, on this chart, and that's the difficulty with cable at the moment. You had a very sharp move up and then down on Thursday, to back to exactly where you were before, and then subsequently it's pretty much traded sideways. So it's a very difficult one to call on cable. You could argue that there's a slight pivot level around 66.50, which is pretty much basically where it's just hit in the last few minutes. So 66.50 could be argued to be a bit of a pivot level, but certainly what we're looking at is not really a great deal of direction in the overall scheme of things here. And I suppose if it pushed above 66.50, you'd then be talking about the next real resistance, which is not until 67.16. But subsequently, I think this could be you'd still think, I would say that if any improvement in risk appetite should result in a push higher of cable back towards that 67.16, and certainly maybe the economic sanctions that come out today, if they're not as punitive for the Russians, then that could result in an improvement in risk appetite towards cable, but certainly this 67.16 is the key high that we need to be talking about. But at the moment we're under this 66.50 level, and that is acting as a pivot point and basis of resistance in the near term. Levels of support, I suppose you'd be going for that 65.84, which was Friday's low. But much beyond that, as I said, these moving averages are all pretty much pushing sideways and not really telling us a great deal. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable. I think it's going to be a difficult one to call today. The Empire State Manufacturing at 12:30 GMT could have an impact, but certainly I think it'll be traders looking towards these economic sanctions out of Russia to guide this one today. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.